Hello and welcome to Vendor Relationship Management module. In this module, we will learn the definition of vendor relationship management, what strategies can you use to maintain this relationship, what is your role as a procurement professional in such a relationship, and how can you maintain a healthy relationship with this vendor. So the supplier performance evaluation is critical to keeping the supplier up to date with any comments you receive from your technical team regarding the supplier performance. This way, the supplier can enhance for the sake of the future relationship and your organization's benefit. This module will define vendor relationship management, the importance and business impact of such a relationship, what are the strategic vendor, its management, and strategies that you can use. What is the procurement team role as a mediator in such a relationship? And how can you resolve conflicts if they ever occur. Finally, we have the vendor performance evaluation as explained earlier. At the end, we will have a summary of this module. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next section.